Jamaicans are being urged to brace for a shortage of local Christmas trees this festive season. The farmers told TVJ News that about 30 to 50% of trees have been wiped out by the hurricane. But despite that, they are still appealing for Jamaicans to prioritize supporting the local farmers and ditch the artificial trees. Ja Abimbola has been farming in the Blue Mountain area of St. Thomas for decades, from coffee, cash crops to Christmas trees. But this time of the year, the latter would be his biggest earner. However, this season, Hurricane Melissa has dampened his Christmas spirit.
We usually plant trees that we have like 100, like 300 pieces of trees that we can sell through the whole season. Now, we only look on probably about 180 or so piece of tree. Yeah, we are going to miss the 120 because I'm sitting on the field, so yeah, it dead, but it not going to work.
Not going to work because the hurricane caused some of the lush green trees to turn brown. Others have toppled over, while some have become crooked.
We cut them in such shape that it is, you say, it fixed. So when the breeze come down, it woke me up back, it tear up some of the trees. So if you look at even a lot of the trees, then you see them have a brown spot on them.
His farm is located in Penline Castle, one of the prime areas for Christmas tree farming in the island. Across the community, the devastation is widespread. This farmer lost about 50% of his trees.
When the hurricane, the Christmas trees, they always like lean on one side, and when they lean on one side, they grow, bend. So when you put them up in the stand, they're lean. So right now, this year, it's very, very bad because if you look on the farm here, most of them, they're lean to one side.
And once they become crooked, it is difficult to retrain those trees.
There's a few Christmas trees out there. Then bend them up because some reaper come and them say, they tore the storm, broke them down. They're not so proper yet for the market.
And so they believe there could be a shortage in the market.
So we have to go back and go pick them up. So a lot of these trees that were ready for this time, it no more ready again. We have to go wait again for next year.
The trees usually take years to grow from a seedling, and then they take a lot of money, time, and investment to maintain the unique shape. And then they have to embark on a long, treacherous journey from the hills to sell the trees in the corporate area.
It's a big setback because we look to get a nice money this time because we work on them by training them time after time, and most time a peer have to pay to get them trained.
And on top of those challenges, it appears fewer people are interested in local Christmas trees. Now, moving to the market itself, there are also clear signs that the Christmas tree business is not booming this year. In fact, in previous years, these plazas in Halfway Tree St. Andrew would be lined with Christmas trees from areas like Penline Castle.
We've seen fewer people asking, everybody just drive past, they don't even look at the trees or nothing like that, you know. But I'd like to tell them, come down to the plaza and support us like they usually do, and less artificial tree.